Good morning from Grand Turk. It is day 3. We're gonna go do some swimming today.
I love this port.
See some fishes today.
Yes.
Right now we're gonna go see some breakfast today. I think we're going to Toledo to have some buffet and burrito type excitement. Going to Toledo in a Speedo to eat a burrito.
That's good. And if you haven't been to Grand Turk before, this is an amazing port for just a free beach day. You don't have to do an excursion, you certainly can, but there's shopping, there's the beach, there's the pool, Margaritaville, lots and lots to do right there. So
it's true.
Recommend just doing a free beach day, relaxing, chilling, what vacation is really all about.
That's what we're doing.
Exactly.
So come on.
Good snorkeling too.
Yeah. You ready?
Yes.
I'm ready.
Excited.
I want some coffee.
Me too. Bye.
That's a fish. Bye.
Bye.
Go to the Morgan Swan.
Is that an animal?
Hello. there's no animal up there. Disappointed. Okay. Oh, Kay is immediately here. We have found the muffin zone.
You just want one, right? I'm gonna get apple too.
Second breakfast.
That's all I'm getting.
Those are cool noises too. Laura, I don't want to walk on this anymore.
Oh, look.
That's like a robot dolphin.
Alright, welcome to Grand Turk.
My buddy is here. He's my friend. Not the guy, the elephant. Guys, I found my friend. So Grand Turkey. All of the green umbrella chairs should be the free ones, but of course they're not the ones right down by the water. But I like a free chair better than a water chair. We'll see what's left when we get up here. So happy to report that it looks like the floating seaweed epidemic might be over. There is now some sunken seaweed out there. But that, to me at least, is better than floating seaweed. Woo! I can smell the perfume in this place. All your tax and duty-free shopping needs. Making our way through the field of green umbrellas. There's a lot of free chairs left out here, surprisingly. Any of these green umbrellas are controlled by the cruise center, and they are free. And we're like 4 rows from the water. All right, I think we are going for immediate water mode. So underwater, swimmy, fishy, all that stuff. Activate. Hey, little whale back there. So cute, Horizon. Ooh, refreshing water on my feet. A little bit. So yeah, there's some sunken seaweed down there. That's seaweed on the bottom. It was floating for a long time and it was kind of strange, but anyway. Ricky, this water's hot.
Yeah, it's hot.
Hot water.
It's freezing.
It's actually kind of nice. Oh, I just stepped on a rock. Oh, Laura's gonna try snorkeling for the first time. So,
First time.
So, Dee's got the regular set on. Laura's going full face. We won't watch you put it on because it's awkward. It's fun though. It makes you look like a cross between Darth Vader and a snork.
Does it feel tight enough?
Let's see. We can tighten it. Let's get. Oh, that's a good look right there. That is a good look. See,
Well, you just breathe normal.
Yeah, you just breathe.
Don't panic, just breathe.
Use your nose and your mouth like you normally would. Don't try to breathe out your ears. That does not work. Welcome to ParoDeeJay Teaches Snorkeling 101. Step 1, insert face in water.
It's not bad, I promise.
Well, don't go down like that. Don't stick. Step 2, do not stick breathe hole in water.
Don't make her laugh.
You're making her laugh.
Step 3, don't laugh because you can't breathe right. Maybe we shouldn't teach snorkeling after all. The easiest way to start off is to just stand, to make sure you're somewhere you can stand, and then just put your face in the water and look around. Yeah. And then just stand back up. Yeah, you don't even have a camera.
Big old angelfish.
See? All I heard was you stuck your head in the water and went wee 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 wee, and then you never took the camera from me. Did you see the big fish? Are they by me? Are they eating my foot? Look at them, Laura. They're right by Laura. Oh my gosh. Laura, the fish want to touch you.
There it is.
Wow, that's funny. Like the big fish come around the first time. Look at them, Laura.
Oh, a bunch of them.
Look at them all. Look at all those fish. I hope we can see them from above. Yeah, these guys apparently think I have some food, but I really don't. Yeah, see, all you do is you just paddle, you breathe. Learning to breathe is the hard thing in a snorkel mask. It really is, because you don't feel like, when your eyes are underwater, you do not want to breathe. I mean, it's against everything you know.
Yeah, you have to get used to it.
All right, let me get down into cold. We are going to get so many awards out here. I love it. See, and that mask has a little clip. You could put a GoPro on the front of it, and you'd be able to see whatever she had seen the whole time she was snorkeling. All right, time for my initial Grand Turk Horizon spin of fish excitement. That was not a good name, but whatever.
Big rock right there.
Oh, that rock rocks. Oh, mercy. We got some people out here feeding the fish. They're kind of freaking out because the fish are now touching them. But Dee's going to go over and get a little bit of that excitement on camera. They brought a bag of cereal off the ship so they could feed the fish. Well, the fish do get excited when you do that.
Yeah.
But she said she went out there and she found the anchor and saw all kinds of colorful, pretty fish. So we're going to get some awards today, boys. Here comes the wild D fish. What are you seeing out there?
I found the cannon too.
I hear there's 97 fish.
It was right over by where we were. I was trying to motion you, but you already turned around. I was like, ah.
So we found an anchor, a cannon, all sorts of fish. There's a giant ship over there. Oh, we knew that was there.
There was like a big.
How many fish have you seen?
One of those
A
holes.
bunch. Will you hold this for a second?
Maybe.
I'm gonna re-braid
Here.
my hair. It's like
Okay, here, they'll hold it for you. Y'all hold this.
And this.
Okay, here, y'all hold everything. Here you go. No, they're
cool.
they're holding it. YouTube.
Oh, hey, the fish are like right here by us.
YouTube's holding it right. Oh, a fish just bit my butt.
I think they think we have food.
The fish is touching my butt. Can a fish
It just ran into my stomach.
a fish legit just touched me in the butt? It's touched me in the stomach now. Oh my gosh, look at him.
They're thinking of food.
They think I have food. I'm not the cereal keeper.
They're like, she's bright.
Oh, look at the. Okay.
Follow me. I'm the fish whisperer.
Well.
It's because we're bright colored.
Yeah, I am dark blue, so stop eating me.
Yeah. Stop eating me.
Okay, they legit just poked me in the butt
Fish
twice.
will like eat the scales off his feet or
These?
something?
No.
Look, they're gonna eat Ricky right now. Get him. Get him, boys. Sick
The
him.
first time I got in the water fish, I was
you just
terrified, but like
Fish.
they don't want to.
What the heck, y'all?
They don't have teeth.
Okay, now
I mean, what are they gonna do?
Some of them
could.
buy fish in Nassau. It was me.
Some of them can leave a little welt on you.
It says you're holding all that stuff in your hand.
I know.
It's like something that must be food.
I don't have the food. Yeah, they probably see me holding things.
They're like, hey, if she has it.
Guys, these fish are crazy. I've never been attacked by fish before. Fish. These are some curious fish. All right. I don't have the food. She's the one that looks like a plant. I mean, they should be looking at her right now, not me. I'm literally in black and navy blue, so I'm not sure what's happening. They are some friendly. Yeah, they're friendly. They're definitely right there in front of you. So you take your little plant shirt and go
away.
go Pied Piper those fish over there somewhere.
Go find the cannon.
All right, here she goes. Pied Piper and away. Oh, this. Yeah, bye fishies. I don't know what she said. Look, they're like synchronized Pied Pipering the fish away. They're like synchronized snorkeling. All right, she's taking. Look, they're gone now.
They're gone.
They're gone
Y'all
now.
took them with you. That's funny.
What in the world?
Did they really go with us?
They're gone.
Yeah.
Yeah, they're not up here anymore. right, the sergeant.
I'm swinging my hand out there.
Yep. You put your hand in the water, and here come all the sergeant majors now. Oh boy. Move on, boys. We got nothing. Nothing to see here. The gray fish are back. I wish I remembered y'all's names. Maybe they're mad, but oh, look at them all. They are about to eat Ricky. They're about to eat. We're about to witness. Yep. You're a goner. You're done for now. I don't have anything. Fish? Oh, he just touched my butt. Fish, don't touch my butt.
That's crazy.
There are literally like 20 of these fish who are mad because I don't know their names.
They keep following me.
I keep wanting to call them sheep's head, but I think sheep's head are those white ones with the bulbous heads.
Look at all these.
Yep. And that was the day Ricky was eaten by silverfish.
They keep on running into me.
Yep.
Look at this.
They're tagging us. They're nudging us to see what we are, to see if we're a giant piece of cereal or what. Why are you walking towards me?
Get away from me.
Ricky, don't walk towards me. Oh, they're touching me now. They're tagging my back. Rick, look at him. I could just grab this guy right out of the water right now. He is so close. Wow. Yep. They're nudging my back again. This is our fun up here. They're off having fun looking at fish. Well, so are we.
I wouldn't come if I was you.
Don't come up here. There's fish.
Oh my God.
Look out, Laura. We're getting eaten by fish up here.
Yep.
Ricky already lost a toe.
Yep, my toe's gone.
Look at me.
Yep.
He just got you.
Water.
Laura, there's fish. She's bringing them up here. She's doing it on purpose.
Did you bring these fish up here?
Tickle, tickle, tickle. Oh gosh, I bet if I do that, they probably think I'm dropping something.
Look, yeah.
Look at him.
Look.
Tickle, tickle. Oh gosh, he thought that was food. Help me. Guys, don't tease the fish. This is a lesson to everybody. It's been nice having a channel and seeing y'all, but I'm about to be dead by fish.
Look, they're all over there now.
Yeah, they're all over there.
Help. I'm about to get dead. He's touching my butt. I'm gonna grab me a fish for dinner.
Hey, that's what you call fresh fish.
Fresh meat. Okay, there are literally like 30 fish swarming right now because I keep touching the water.
Over there.
I keep touching the water and they think it's food. Oh, yeah. Let's give it to Laura.
No.
If I had like a little thing I could throw, I could like throw. Yep. There they are. They like her now. Yeah, they're. No.
Look up there.
Hey, Laura, I'm going to come visit you now, Laura. Here I come.
Jump it.
Hey, Laura.
Did the J? I ran toward him when the fish came.
Come here, fish. Come here, fish. She's never going in the water again.
Yeah.
Why are they behind me?
They like you.
They like smelling my butt. I don't know why.
What do you keep doing?
Fish. I mean, I didn't take a shower this morning. I'm pooping in the water. Man. Well, I've never had this much fun with the fish before. But see, I think it's because someone has been feeding them.
They have. It's what it is.
Yeah, usually if they have not been being fed, they're not quite this friendly all the time. But they really think there's a lot of food out here. And they think we're like holding things up because we have our hands out of the water, and it looks like the girl with the bag of cereal over the water. Fish! I don't have...
Oh, he just swam right between us.
I don't have anything, fish.
Why won't they go away?
We smell good. Eel.
A pufferfish, and a starfish with 4 arms. It was like white. I don't know if it died.
Oh gosh. Okay. Well, I hope not.
That anchor.
Where'd you see that at over there?
The anchor. Yeah, it's a hot spot. Like the pufferfish is pretty deep down.
Okay.
No, just that one. I didn't see him. I was out there hanging out just like over the anchor, and the eel. Hopefully I caught it because like he was going into his little cave thing, and I caught like maybe that much of him.
All right. Well, we saw about 30 silverfish that came up and nudged us and nudged us and touched us.
Good footage.
So right here is where the cannon. It's wherever these 2 caution things are. That's the
Okay.
anchor, and then the cannon's like right over there.
I
Okay.
didn't see the octopus. Whoever said it's all about this.
Well, I think we've lost our son for a while.
I got some amazing footage of that eel.
Amazing footage.
Yeah, no, I went back over, and the fish were trying to scare it out of the hole, and so it like came swimming out. Did you see the eel?
No, I didn't see him.
Did you see the pufferfish?
Yes. I saw
Okay,
2
good.
Look, we've lost our son now to this giant dark cloud, so.
Which I'm pretty sure is dead.
Well,
He actually only has 3.5 legs.
Yeah.
And he's white like the.
gotcha. Oh, y'all, here's the silverfish again.
You brought them back.
Yeah, you in this shirt.
They really do.
Here, fish.
I love Grand. The fish are huge.
Look, they're gonna get
They're
her.
really colorful.
Big ones. Well, when the sun came out, the one, I don't know what it is.
Yeah.
It was really like a turquoise
Yeah.
color.
No, stop that.
I'm trying to attract them.
I don't know actually. Stop doing that. Touch my butt.
Oh, touch your butt. You're touching ours too.
Yep, they're kind of everywhere. Yeah, we've definitely lost our sun for a long time though, because this is a very large gray cloud that has come across the sun.
It might be raining right there.
So yeah, I see some down sploofs over there. That's a technical term. Down sploofs. So, whoa, mercy. She's diving looking for something. Oh, and a kicking us.
These are like some pretty persistent little fish.
Yeah.
I don't want to scare people from Grand Turk because it's amazing. The
Yeah.
fish are just.
If you don't want to get persistent fish,
Don't
bring
wear
any
this
cereal
rash
and
guard.
don't wear flowery leaves that they love to eat on your body.
Just look realistic. Maybe that's
So,
They're like, hey, lady.
Mine are just hot pink.
Rash Guard by Old Navy for anybody who's asking, because that was one of the most popular questions
Whatever.
of the last series. Old Navy. Ricky's getting ready to look at some fish. Oh yeah, tighten him up. Don't send him out there unprepared. Gosh, that was violent. Oh no! Don't leave us. He's getting his.
Breathe normally.
Panic spin. All right, now that that's over, fish, I'm throwing things, fish, we need you. Fish. Yeah, the more we hang out, the more we see that there's rain coming. Hey look, there's rain on the horizon. Oh, jokes. Okay, never mind. I'm trying to make the best jokes over here. Let's go see if Dee appreciates my jokes. You think she will? I don't think she will. Hey, I got a joke. Nobody appreciates my jokes. Hey, look. There's rain on the horizon. Oh, jokes. No, she don't like it either.
I'm looking to cover fish.
Oh, well, I don't want it to buff me. Gosh, nobody appreciates my jokes anymore. Y'all appreciate my jokes? No. I'm having a crisis. Ricky, maybe you will.
There you are.
Look, Ricky. There's rain on the horizon. Oh,
I got it. Yeah.
Ricky likes my jokes.
That's a good one. That's a good one.
Best joke. That's the third time I told it. Love it. We were just trying to analyze the weather system and talking about which way the wind was going, and that we thought the storm might actually miss us, and then the drops came out the sky. So, it's raining on us. Guys, it's raining. You're getting water on your face. All right, hold up.
Wow.
Oh no, this is a lost cause right here. Lost cause. Rainy spin. Look at y'all. Y'all are doing a spin. I'm doing a spin, and it's raining on us. Carl is going to be so impressed by all this action. We got Ricky Laura spin, rain spin. Oh gosh, we almost had a collision. Look, that was so dangerous right there. Oh, raindrops keep falling on my head.
Everybody's getting out of the water.
What do you do, YouTube? What do we do? Stay in the water, get out.
Comment below. We're waiting on you.
Comment below.
We've been in the water in Grand Turk for 3 weeks waiting for y'all to comment.
We're getting wet now.
Yep.
Because it's raining.
But it's also water. So
Yeah.
you get wet either way. Y'all, mercy.
Do we get out of the water because we're getting wet by the rain?
Right.
Or should we just stay in?
Because we're already wet. And the rain will probably pass. Because look, I can see the sun starting to peak. So this rain's only going to last so long. Then we can go in the pool. We can have fun.
Yep.
We can
drink.
eat nachos.
beverage.
We can ride the flow rider. Just kidding, I'm not riding the flow rider.